lovable, and you are definitely welcome to my kitchen. Hope you all are doing great. Today let's make this amazing recipe, and without further ado, let's dive right into it. So in my pot, I'll be adding in my washed beans, and I've also destoned it. So I'll go ahead to add water. I'll cook for a few minutes and I'll pour out the water. I'll add more water and continue cooking till it is tender. Next, in my pan, I'll add in vegetable oil, onion. I'm using fresh ginger. So I'm gonna fry this for a bit. Next, I'll be adding in my roughly blended habanero pepper. So you can use as much as you can tolerate. So I'm gonna fry this for a few minutes. Next, I'll go in with my seasoning powder. You can use any seasoning powder of choice. I'll stir in that. Next, I'll add in my washed rice. This rice has not been pre-cooked, it's just washed rice. So I'll stir in the rice inside the sauce. I added in more seasoning powder. I added my meat broth, my coconut milk. Next, I'll go in with my pre-cooked beans. So I'm gonna stir everything together. Thank you everyone for always coming back to watch me. I truly appreciate, and I'm not taking your support for granted, okay? So we'll cook this till it is soft. And after a few minutes, I'll go in with my leftover chicken, red bell pepper, green bell pepper, and spring onion. If you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Please subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and share to your loved ones, okay? So look at how colorful this is. The color is amazing, and the taste was out of this world. So give this a try and you will not regret it. Thank you for always coming back to watch me. I truly appreciate your support, and I'm not taking your love for granted, okay? Thank you, okay? So this is what I have, and the result was mouth-watering. Look at how colorful this is. I hope you give this video a try and drop your comment at the comment section what you feel about this video. I pair my with some fried plantain with sauce, and it was good. So this is my final look, and I'll see you in my next one. So from me is bye bye.